In this short video, we'll be discussing the Compare feature available on our vehicle listing page on our website. First of all, you need to navigate to our vehicle listing page by clicking on Quality Cars, Used Vehicles, and that will take you to the page that you see in front of us right now. To the left of the page is a Search Our Inventory box where you can search by years, makes, models, body styles, kilometres, transmission or prices. For this example, we'll use body styles and 7-seater. The search engine then goes out and searches our database to see what 7-seater vehicles we have in our inventory, and currently we have 2 vehicles available. So rather than paging between the 2 different vehicles, we can place these vehicles side by side on a comparison page, and to do that we simply click in the top right hand corner of each vehicle listing, here and here, and then click on the Compare Two Vehicles tab. That will take us to a page where it places both vehicles side by side, where you can compare the year, make, model, body style, kilometres, transmission, etc, etc. And as we scroll down the page, you will see these options listed. Should you wish to then look for further information, you simply click on View Vehicle Listing, which will take you to the listing page for that particular vehicle. Now on this page we have further information on the vehicle itself. We have a Vehicle Overview tab. We also have vehicle features and options that are fitted to the vehicle. Technical specifications tab on any specifications that we've listed. Vehicle location will load a Google map on where you can find Hollands and Timaru, and other comments will be listed here under the Other Comments tab. Now to the top of the page we have a series of tabs, which is Previous Vehicle, Request more information, Schedule a test drive, Print this vehicle, Email to a friend, or the next vehicle in our vehicle listing. To the right hand side, of course, we've got the basic vehicle details in a column here. Under that we have a short video showing the outside of the vehicle and the inside of the vehicle to give you a better perspective on the car. Below that we have 3 tabs where you can like and share it on Facebook or Pinterest or Twitter. Now to return back to our vehicle listing page, you can simply use the back arrow keys on your browser or click on Quality Cars, Used Vehicles, which will take you back to our listing page. I hope you found this video informative, and thank you again for taking the time to visit our website.